You must see this about Hedera. These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to Crypto Speaker. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Hedera, this is the place for you. As of April 29th, 2026, the total market cap is $3.91 billion, with a change of plus 1.64% in the last 24 hours. The price of Hbar today is $0.08953. The 24-hour trading volume is $51.26 million. The circulating supply of Hbar is 43.37 billion, with a maximum supply of 50.00 billion. Hbar ranks 24 by market cap. The highest price in the last 24 hours is $0.090914. The lowest price in the last 24 hours is $0.088367. Let's analyze the price of Hedera. Hedera is up 1.61% to $0.0902 in 24 hours, closely tracking a broader market rise, primarily driven by positive sentiment around new institutional infrastructure integrations, market-wide momentum. Hbar's gain aligns almost exactly with the broader crypto market's 24-hour performance, plus 1.61%, indicating the move was largely beta-driven. No single macro catalyst for the market rise was evident in the provided data, suggesting a general flow of capital into the asset class. What it means: the price action was more about overall market sentiment than HBR-specific demand. Watch for Bitcoin's ability to hold above $77,500 as continued strength. There would support altcoins like Hbar. Institutional infrastructure growth. While not causing a volume spike, a positive news flow provided a supportive backdrop. The integration with Fireblocks offers institutions a secure custody path for Hbar. Separately, Bitwave announced support for USDC and Hbar payments, enhancing enterprise utility. What it means: these developments strengthen Hedera's enterprise rails, which could support future adoption and price stability. Near-term market outlook: Hbar trades just above key support at $0.088 to $0.089, near the daily pivot point. The immediate trigger is whether it can capitalize on the positive news flow to challenge overhead resistance at $0.093, a level cited as a recent rejection point. The 7-day RSI at 42.76 shows room for upward movement without being overbought. What it means: the structure is neutral to slightly bullish, contingent on holding support, a decisive daily close above $0.093 to confirm a shift in momentum toward the $0.095 to $0.10 zone. The 24-hour gain reflects a combination of general market uplift and steady progress in Hedera's enterprise adoption narrative. What about Hedera news and catalysts? Enterprise adoption and real-world asset growth, bullish impact. Hedera's governance by a council of global enterprises, Google, IBM, FedEx, McLaren, provides institutional credibility and steers development toward regulated use cases. Live projects are advancing, notably Project Acacia, a wholesale CBDC pilot with the Reserve Bank of Australia and Australian Payments Plus, Hedera. Analysts highlight Hedera as a core infrastructure for the tokenization of assets like GAFRA, money market funds, and real estate. What this means: this enterprise-focused growth is structurally bullish. Real-world usage translates to transaction fee demand for HBR and reduces reliance on speculative trading. Successful scaling of these pilots could significantly increase Hbar's utility and perceived value over the medium to long term. ETF inflows versus exchange liquidity shocks. The Canary Hbar Spot ETF is live on Nasdaq and Vanguard, providing a regulated conduit for institutional investment. By late February 2026, it held roughly 1.3% of Hbar's circulating supply. Conversely, Binance delisted the Hbar BTC margin trading pair on May 1, 2026, citing low liquidity, which can reduce trading options and increase short-term volatility. What this means: the ETF represents a steady, bullish demand-side driver by locking up supply. However, exchange delistings are bearish for near-term price discovery, as they can trigger selling from affected users and signal reduced platform support, potentially outweighing ETF benefits in the short run. Technical compression and tokenomics. Hbar trades in a tight range around $0.089, with immediate support at $0.087 and resistance at the 38.2% Fibonacci level, $0.095. The MACD shows a slight positive histogram, but the RSI at 47 suggests neutral momentum. The maximum supply is fixed at 50 billion Hbar, with over 43 billion already circulating. Can buying volume increase to push Hbar through the $0.093 resistance, or will it remain range-bound between $0.088 and $0.093? We'll find out very soon. Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. Let us know in the comments what you think about Hedera, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be the first to get the latest Hedera news. This has been Crypto Speaker. Thank you for your time.